This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, November the 20th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some clouds scattered across the country with a new storm system moving into the California coast, producing some moderate to heavy rain there and some mountain snow possible over the Sierra Nevada, with some scattered clouds from the desert southwest to the Great Lakes. Watch warning map from around midnight. Fairly quiet across the country, a flood watch in Arkansas and Tennessee, some winter weather advisories over California, Colorado, and the northern parts of Wisconsin and Michigan. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart is another story. This is precipitation through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, shows a very heavy band of rain possible from Texas and Oklahoma northeastward into New England, where 3 to 4 inches are possible, with heavier amounts also over the Pacific Northwest. Here's the GFS Model Run. This is the 0Z run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see there's the storm system moving into the California coast with the trough there, with a southwesterly flow aloft here. And even though we have a flow aloft from there, it'll be cold with us being behind the front. Temperatures in the upper 30s to lower to mid 40s across the state, with mostly sunny skies. We head to Monday, a bit warmer, 40s across the state, with the main precipitation down south of here in Oklahoma, Texas, and into the Ohio Valley. And we head to Tuesday. That storm begins to lift out, and the model wants to bring maybe a slight chance of a shower across far southeastern Iowa. Be more likely more clouds than any chance of rain, with highs in the 40s. Wednesday, big travel day across the country. We're going to be under high pressure, with winds beginning to switch to the south and west. Anybody heading in either to the west or to the east may have some issues there. Thanksgiving still looks okay across most of the country outside of the Pacific Northwest. Southwesterly winds here will boost temperatures here to the 50s across the state. Friday, big shopping day, looks to be rather a little rainy across the state. Could be better chances of rain further to the south across Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana and Texas. By Saturday, that storm really begins to bring the cold air down, the 540 line dropping all the way down into Texas and Arkansas, so it could get quite cold to end the holiday weekend. And a week from today, next Sunday, there's that big, huge trough just to our east, and another one moving into the Pacific Northwest, or otherwise the California coast. With that storm to our east, still could see some clouds over the eastern half of the state on Sunday, and a new storm system moving into the California and Oregon coast. We head further into the end of November, the 30th. Here comes another storm system with a vortex over Kansas and Missouri with another storm, and that could bring some rain or snow to the state. We'll have to look at that. Otherwise, it'll be fairly quiet with some possible rain over New England and a new storm system moving into Washington state. At the end of the forecast, December the 5th, looks pretty tranquil, with the main storm flow to our north and a big trough over the eastern part of the country, specifically mid-Atlantic and New England. With that, high pressure just to our south, winds over to the south and west, so temperatures should be rather warm by December standards, likely 40s to maybe close to 50 degrees at that time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.